Hi everyone, we're going shopping, you and I. So, I'm turning into the parking lot. And I have to find a parking space, and I'm going to be backing into a parking space on the right beside this white SUV. So, I place my car in the middle of the parking lot, just leaving enough space for a vehicle to get by me on the left. I put my right signal on. So this is the car. I'm gonna park in this parking space. So I keep going slowly until the back bumper of my vehicle is in the middle of this parking space. No, the middle of the white vehicle, because I need to get in beside him. So place the gear selected to reverse. Get all the turns in to the right. Then check around, make sure there's no one. Nothing close to you, close to me, to back into the space. We just keep going and watch the front. When it's straight, we make a complete stop, like there. Now, the wheels are turned all the way to the right, so now hand over hand to the left until the wheel is straight. Then just keep checking back, front, all the way in. And that's it. Apply the parking brake, gear selected to park, and we're done. And that's how easy it is for you to do the backing in to a parking space in a parking lot on the right. Thank you.